folks, what's up? This is RK from 360 Reader. Right now, I'm going to talk about how you can use Instagram guides on iPhone and Android. For those unfamiliar, Instagram guides is an all-new feature that allows you to recommend posts, places, and products. And just in case you find this feature pretty interesting, let me help you get started on the right note. Before getting started, make sure you have subscribed our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from 360 Reader. First off, let's sort out a few basic questions or rather confusions so that you'll have better understanding of how this feature works. Instagram guides offer a better way for its users to more easily discover recommendations, tips, and other content from their favorite creators, public figures, organizations, as well as publishers. It's worth noting that Instagram had launched this feature in early 2020 on a trial basis. At that time, only a select group of creators like public figures, organizations, and publishers were able to use it to publish content focused on mental health and well-being. However, as of 17 November 2020, the social networking app has made this feature available to all users. It's also expanded guides to include other types of content. That's why anyone can use this feature to recommend things like products, places, and even posts. To begin with steps, make sure that you have updated Instagram on your Android or iOS device. If you haven't already, then head over to App Store or Google Play Store and then update it. After you have updated Instagram on your device, you have to launch it and then you have to head over to your profile. After that, you have to tap on the plus button that is located at the top right corner of the screen. Now you have to select Guides in the menu that pops up. After that, you have three options like Places. Select it if you want to recommend your favorite places to your followers or friends. Then you have Products. Now choose this option to recommend your favorite products to your friends or followers. Then there is Posts. You can choose it to recommend the posts that you have created or saved. Now you have to choose the preferred option. After that, you have to choose relevant images and then add things like title and write captions. And after that, you have to tap on next and then you have to post your guide as usual. You can view guides via users, profiles, and explore tab. When viewing a guide, you can check out posts, videos that the creator has curated with their own tips, commentary, or advice. The posts in guide can come from the creator or from other Instagram users. If you wish to learn more about a specific post, you can simply tap on the image or video to check out the original Instagram post. Besides, you can also share a guide to your story by tapping the share button. Now that you know how Instagram guides work, make the most of it to recommend your favorite places, posts, and products. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, have a wonderful time. Bye-bye.